Hello, this is a basic tutorial on how to write a how to Hello World program in Python. So first, you'll need a computer, an internet connection to download Python and any other text editors, and a text editor such as Sublime Text, Notepad++, or any other text editor you want. So first, what you're going to want to do is go to the Python website and just click on download the latest version of Python. I already have it installed, so I won't go through that step. And a text editor, the one I personally use is Sublime. I find it's very clean and easy to use. Okay, so first you want to go into your text editor and all you need to do is write print. What this command does basically is print out any word you want to display on your screen. And since it's a hello world, we will print hello world. And that's all we have to do in the text editor. It's a very simple program. So we just save me to the desktop, hello world.py, and py is the extension for Python programs, so keep that in mind. Okay. And then the next step is to actually go through and run this program. So you want to go into your Windows R and type in cmd. That's the short for command line. So you press enter and you open that up. And right now, these are all the folders you have. So what you want to do is change it to, for me, I saved it to the desktop. So I would do cd, that means change directories, to desktop. And then the command to run Python files is python hello world.py. Hello world, there we go. And yeah, it's that simple, and that's the end of the tutorial.